How do I register to vote in my state? To register to vote in your state, follow these steps. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. Ensure you meet the basic requirements. U.S. citizenship. You must be a U.S. citizen. Age. You need to be at least 18 years old by election day. Residency. You must be a resident of your state. Criminal convictions. Some states have restrictions on voting for individuals with felony convictions. Check your state's specific laws. Step 2. Choose your registration method. Depending on your state, you can register to vote. Online. Many states offer online voter registration. Visit your state's election website or vote.gov to see if this option is available. By mail. You can complete the National Mail Voter Registration Form and mail it to your local election office. In person. Register at your local election office, Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, or other designated locations. Step 3. Know the registration deadline. Registration deadlines vary by state. Some states allow same-day registration, while others require registration several weeks before Election Day. For example, New York, the deadline to register for the June 24, 2025 primary election is June 14, 2025. California, if registering or re-registering less than 15 days before an election, you must complete the same-day voter registration process and request your ballot in person at your county elections office or polling location. Check your state's specific deadline to ensure you're registered in time. Step 4. Confirm your registration. After registering, it's important to confirm your registration status. Online. Use tools like Can I Vote to check your registration status. By phone. Contact your local election office to verify your registration. Step 5. Update your registration if necessary. If you've moved, changed your name, or wish to change your political party affiliation, update your voter registration. Online. Visit vote.gov and select your state to update your information. By mail or in person, complete the necessary forms and submit them to your local election office. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.